Hey guys, Frostbox here. Okay, today we're going to unbox this one, which is the arcade block. And this is August's one for 2016. And there's the links. I will leave a link down in the description anyway. But it's probably just nerd block, or it says arcadeblock.com. But yeah, I'll leave it down in the description anyway. Alright, let's jump right into it. Got cutters. Okay. Alright, I'll show you guys first. How does that look? Looks alright. Let's have a look. Look at the shirt first. Okay, that looks interesting. I'm not sure the reference is there. I'll have to have a look at the end. That's a tricky one. I'm not sure what that's referencing. Looks cool though. I like it. But yeah, we'll check what that is at the end. Cool. Nice blue shirt. I don't get too many blue ones, so that's always good. Alright, next thing I see. Looks like a little Super Mario collector's little thing. A Connects figure. Collect all 7. There you go. I might even open it. Let's have a look at that. And it looks like I've got Bowser. Taking out the plastic. And he's fell off. Hang on a sec. There we go. He's in a couple of pieces. Cool. What else does he do? Oh god, yeah, his tail comes off, his shell comes off. Lots of pieces. Interesting. And there's 7 of them to get. 2 different Marios, Bowser, Yoshi, Luigi, the mushroom, and that turtle dude. Cool. Alright, moving on. Cool, next thing I see is a mystery mini, Five Nights at Freddy's. Cool. I like Five Nights at Freddy's. Let's have a look and see what we got. See a gap. There looks like 6 is 12. Yeah, 12 of them to collect. And we'll have a look. Feels like a small one, actually. Cool. There we go. If memory serves, I forgot his name. Springtrap? Something like that anyway. He looks cool. He's from the 3rd one, I believe. Five Nights at Freddy's 3. Yeah, no, he's cool. I like him. Little figures so far. Okay, next thing is a mug. Big Tetris mug. And it changes with hot and cold. There you go. we'll have a look. We might as well open it and we'll have a look. Cool, there we go. Tetris. That looks pretty cool. It'll change once you've got a hot cup of tea or coffee. That's very cool. Alright. Next thing is a classic controller. A USB controller. That is different. Looks like the old Nintendo Nintendo 6 SNES, the Super Nintendo I'm thinking of. That's what it looks like. It says it's for PC and Mac. Plug and play. That's interesting. A USB classic controller for PC and Mac. Very cool. Old Super Nintendo style. Retro link. Cool. That looks very interesting. That's all sealed, so we won't open that, but that looks cool. Very cool. And that looks like everything. Just the cards we got. Advertising their new block, which is the shirt block. Very interesting. All the different shirts you can get. Cool. And let's see. This is what's in the next block. Looks like Assassin's Creed and Sega Genesis stuff. So that looks interesting. Could be Sega, Sonic, maybe, things like that. And that's next month. So that will be September. This is August's block. It is indeed. The shirt is the Eye of Truth. Cool. And that's the controller. And that is the other stuff. We got the shirt, the Five Nights at Freddy's figure, the mug, the Super Mario figure, and the other thing is just a $10 credit from Shirt Punch, which is right here. I won't show you the back because it's got the code on it. And there we go. That is everything. Cool. And that was August's arcade block. Yeah, that's right. Cool. Alright, and that's it for this month. So the next ones I opened will be for September. And yeah, that's it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe and everything. I'll catch you in my next video. Alright guys, see you later.